Hey everyone, in this video we are going to talk about best automation tools for small businesses. Now we have got a lot of tools, so in this particular video, which is part 1, I'm going to talk about Google Sheets, Instagram, OpenAI, Facebook. These are the most renowned names and you know all these applications very well because we use them in our day-to-day life. Now how can you use these applications and automate your business, thereby actually saving a lot of time? So let's check this out. Let's say that you are using any spreadsheet. Here we have taken the example of Google Sheet. Now every time you have some data in your Google Sheet and the new data is added. Now automatically you can send a message on WhatsApp to the user. Let's say that you want to send birthday wishes, or you want to send season greetings, or you just want to send details about your product and the brochure, etc. So you just have to add the details here. Here will be your trigger application and automatically you can send messages on WhatsApp. You can send mails to different people. Then you can send SMS via Twilio and again Telegram, and then with the help of OpenAI, which is an artificial intelligence and deployment company, you can actually generate text, or you can generate, let's say, newsletters, articles, blogs, etc. And then later you can update the same Google Sheet, or you can create documents. So here you have saved a lot of time. You do not have to write messages individually or share mails, etc. Now let's talk about Google Sheet as an action application. So here, every time, now monday.com, so you have received a new data on monday.com. Now monday.com is what? It is a project management software, right? So automatically the details would be shared on Google Sheet. As soon as a payment is made on InstaMojo, so the details of the payment along with the user details can be shared on your Google Sheet. Similarly, if you have received a new Facebook lead, or again Trello, which is a project management software, so here again every time a new task is created or the new project details are added, then the details would be added to your Google Sheet. And similarly LinkedIn or Pinterest, Instagram, etc. The next thing that we have is OpenAI. So let's have a look at OpenAI. So again here majorly we use it as an action application. So it can help you in generate replies to comments on social media platforms. You are an influencer and you have got so many people who are following you. Now you want to maintain that touch with them so that they do not leave you. Now for that you will have to reply to the comments. But if you will do that individually, it is going to consume a lot of time. So here just generate auto replies. Next, generate content for newsletters, articles, blogs, emails, etc. If you are the student or you are the teacher, or you want to write emails, you are an HR, you don't have to worry because your time has been saved with the help of OpenAI. Then again it can help generate images from keywords, summarize documents and create social media posts. The next one that we have here is, we have a few examples how you can do the same. So how to create social media post using OpenAI. If you want to create a post, so let's say that in your Google Sheet a new row is added. With the help of OpenAI, you have created the post content. So let's say the title was here about new ways to interact with the user. So with that title, the post has been created and now you have created the post on Facebook. The next one here is write business articles automatically using OpenAI. So in your Google Sheet or any other spreadsheet, you have got the title of the business article. And then with the help of OpenAI, you have generated the content. And then finally, in your Google Sheet, you have updated the cell value. Let's look at another example. Automatically reply to YouTube video comments using OpenAI. So now all the YouTubers out there, you can save a lot of time. How? So every time you receive a new comment on any of your video, then generate random reply and content. So the replies would be different every time, and then you can send as a reply to the comment back on YouTube. So your trigger application was YouTube, then your action application initially was OpenAI, and then again YouTube. The next one we have is Instagram. Now, Instagram is in these days. Everybody is on Instagram. So, you can actually create reels automatically. Then with the help of automation, you can share a post on various social media platforms. So if a post is shared on Instagram, automatically it will be shared on Pinterest, Facebook, or let's say LinkedIn, etc. Then you can schedule these Instagram posts. So you want that one particular post, like you have created a reel, it should be posted on Saturday at around 10 o'clock in the morning or at around 6 in the evening. So you can schedule it. You do not have to wait for that Saturday. Maybe you're busy. The next one is showcase business reviews on Instagram. So people are literally promoting their products on Instagram these days. So you can showcase your reviews on Instagram, and here again you have set an automation. You don't have to do anything manually. Notify team about new posts. So let's say every time a new post has been added, so your team who has to make sure that the post is like the SEO is happening properly and it is getting the boost, so you have automatically notified your team about the same, like your team is sitting on Slack or Discord, etc. So you can do the same. Let's see some examples. So auto publish your Instagram post to multiple social media platforms. Something that you have posted on Instagram, you have set an automation, now it is posted on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook, Pinterest, etc. Then how to display most selling WooCommerce products on Instagram. So let's say that you want that the most selling products which are there on WooCommerce, so should be like highlighted on your Instagram handle. How can you do that? So get the most selling product. This will be your trigger application WooCommerce. Then with the help of Switchboard, you have generated an image and then you have posted the same on Instagram. The next one here is how to showcase your business reviews on Instagram as reels. Now it really takes, if you have ever created a reel, you know that it takes a lot of time in creating a reel, selecting a music and everything. Here the entire automation is done for you. Every time, there is a product which has received 5-star rating. So like on your Google business, then automatically with the help of Create-O-Mate, you will generate a reel and then it is posted on Instagram. Right? Interesting. Now the last one that we are going to see here is Facebook lead ads. So every time a Facebook lead ad has been received, which means that you have got a new contact to follow up for your business. So automatically you can send a WhatsApp message or an SMS to the person sharing the details of your products. Then you can add these lead details to your CRM, let's say Salesforce, HubSpot, etc. so that later you can follow up further, like with the leads. You can send email alerts to leads. Now, every time there is something new happening in your business, so you can share the same with your clientele. Create lead database and spreadsheets and also notify team about new leads. So, basically here we have talked about 4 automation tools, basically 4 applications that can actually help you in enhancing the efficiency of your business. Wasn't that cool? So I'm going to come up with more such videos. If you like them, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And also you will get the links of these workflows in the description box. Do check them out. This is something, this automation and this entire integration through Pabbly Connect, you can actually do it yourself. You don't need any supervision. So if you want to do it yourself, check out the description, and if in case you get stuck, write to us.